Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So today is the 21st of December.
Yes.
So 21st day of Elf on the Shelf.
Yes.
What are you going to show everyone that you've been up to?
I made this little snowman and gets 8 of them.
There's 8 of them. So they're all special little gifts for everybody in the family.
Yes.
So they are so creative. You done that all by yourself without any help, any directions. Hey, you just made it all by yourself?
I didn't make it all by myself. Nanny does have to do the hard bits, like the glue.
Okay. Well, you've both done a great job.
Yes.
I think it looks amazing. So shall we go in and see what the elves have been up to today?
Yes.
Oh, it's very muggy out here. We'll just stay there for a second. I'll just close this door. Okay.
The baby elves.
Oh, you found the baby elves?
Ice cream on Snowflake's head.
Oh, on Raindrop's head.
Yeah, I forgot.
That's okay. There's too many elves to remember. And there's love hearts.
Yeah.
Why is there ice cream? Oh, that's from the ice cream shop.
Yeah,
Yesterday. You see any other elves? What? Are they camping? He's got a marshmallow and a campfire. And he's all snuggled in.
With my baby blanket.
With your baby blanket. You had that when you were a baby.
Yes.
Oh, so he's roasting some marshmallows on the fire.
Yes. Let's look for more. Hey! They're still over here from yesterday, but they have different stuff. It looks like they're doing an experiment.
An experiment. Let's see. The Grinch volcano experiment. Ooh, this looks like fun. So it says the Grinch volcano experiment. Make sure you are with an adult and elf before conducting this experiment. Okay, is there an adult here?
Yeah?
Is there an elf?
Yes.
I guess we can do the experiment then.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll do the experiment.
On a different video.
Well, on this video, we can show everybody how to do it right now. Okay, so we're ready to make the experiment.
Yes.
So first it says number 1, first add your vinegar to the test tube, which I think this has got vinegar in it already. Should you have a smell? If it smells really bleh, then that's vinegar.
No.
Smell like bleh?
Mm-hmm.
Ugh. Pooh, yuck. That is very tangy smelling. Number 2, sprinkle in some Grinch powder. So you need this. We might put, yeah, you sprinkle in some Grinch powder in that. So we'll just open this up.
That's a tiny test tube.
Yep, so put it in the test tube. Oops, I'll just stand over this side so people can see you. Yep, we'll just hold it like how Mummy is, or else it won't go in. This way, I'm going to have to put this in a little, no, hold it like that. Put your fingers on the sides like that so it bends it. Yep, and pour it in. Just a little bit. Yep, that should be good enough. So just give it a little bit of a tap. Do you want to tap the bottom? Tap the test tube. Okay. It's a little bit stuck for a second. I'll just grab a toothpick. Okay, it's just all wet, that's all. Okay. It's not going like it's supposed to, but I'll wash out this and we'll put some of that bicarb in there and then you can pour that in there, okay? And it's going to explode. Okay, so there is bicarb soda, bicarbonate soda in here. I did pour it in for Edith because it is not that easy. Okay, so we put the test tube thingy in there, and you grab that one and you pour that. Move your hand, move your hand. Can you see it exploding, everybody? Can you hear it? You gonna put some more in? I think that's it.
Maybe we should have taken this in.
Whoa!
Oh, that's crazy. That's cool.
Hopefully everyone's seen that. Okay. That was pretty cool, wasn't it?
Yes.
So that was cool. Thanks, elves.
Thanks, elves.
Okay.
Now we just have to find some more.
I think that's all the elves. Because there was 2 that I said were missing. So that's all the elves that are out today. So I think we got to do the countdown calendar now.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so yesterday there was...
5 days into Christmas, now it's 4 days.
Oh my goodness. 4 days. I can't believe it's 4 days.
4 days.
Four days. You can tell you're excited. So we got some rubbish on the coffee table. Okay, so today is the 21st. No, not that one. The 21st. Whoopsies, you nearly got the wrong one.
A blue Christmas tree.
A blue Christmas tree now. It really is a Christmas tree farm.
There's 5 Christmas trees now.
So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, and you got 3 more to open.
Oh, that's exciting.
It is exciting. Okay. So what have you got in those masks now? Oh, the little
Unicorns.
baby unicorns.
I put them in there yesterday.
Oh, you put them in?
Yeah.
They're having fun.
Yes.
So everybody, don't forget to
Like and subscribe and give me a huge thumbs up.
and we'll see you all again.
Next time, bye.
Bye.